Jolin Chai is a Taiwanese singer, songwriter, record producer, and actress recognized as the queen of C-pop. Chai is one of the most influential figures in the Chinese-speaking world's pop culture. And Chai has sold over 25 million records, making her the highest selling Taiwanese female recording artist since the 2000. At si Miss Jolin Chai, kakolaborate niya ang SB19 sa papanoorin nating video for today. Yes, etong international artist na to, at she is the queen of C-pop, Chinese pop. She's the queen. Most influential. Ha? Kakolaborate niya ang SB19 sa video na to, which is entitled Emoji. Meaning nagsama sila, nakita sila, gumawa sila ng music video eh. So today, we're gonna watch this amazing collaboration between these two powerhouses in two different nations. Right? So ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara na! Tara na! Kung trip mo yung SB19 contest, we got so many contents about SB19. Subscribe to the channel. Let's go, man. This is so amazing. Emoji by SB19 and Jolin. Emoji music video, man. Let's go. Let's do this, man. Ha! Alright, let me just arrange this. Ay, putik na. Wait lang, wait, man. What's happening? Huh? Let me just put it on the headset and adjust the volume. Yung mabibingi ako, yun yung gusto ko eh. Ha? 1Z Entertainment. Huh? This video may potentially trigger seizures for people with photosensitive epilepsy. Viewer discretion is advised. Siguro may mga ilaw-ilaw. O sige. G! Gulatan. Gulat ako legit. Gulatan pala. O sige. Ano start? Shit. Ay papi ba sabi? Lakasan natin ng konti, medyo mahina pa siya sa... Gusto ko yung makawasak yung eardrum ko eh. Okay. Gulat ako! Nagulat ako! Wait. To me what you try to get it, to me what you try to get it, to me what to me what you try to get it, to me what you try to get it. I wake up, I log in, lights hit my face and I'm in. Get the neon skin, I'm glowing, keeping it cute, keep it exciting. Read the cover for a messy place. What's in my mind cannot be traced, and I won't say much, just guess the face. Two thumbs up, send hearts like this in a tap, swipe, pause, slash post, then. Damn. Napakaangas naman ni Stel doon, but the transition from Stel to Ken, tapos ang lupit ng mga pa-swipe niya, tapos may word at na swipe doon, that's awesome. Ang angas ng ano dito, ng I think the dancers are W3. Ang lupit din ng lugar ng pinag-shoot ng music video. Hindi ko alam kung nakita sila, no? Kasi pwede na naman nag-shoot si Miss Jolin sa sarili niyang buhay, no? Pero wala pa kasing nasa one frame sila. Medyo excited lang ako. Tapos medyo hindi ko pa nakikita siya masyado, no? Si Miss Jolin. Ang pogi, oh! Bias ko yan! Akin yan! De, joke. Damn! Okay! A messy place. What's in my mind cannot be traced, and I won't say much, just guess the face. Two thumbs up, send hearts like this in a tap, swipe, pause, slash post, then I'll pause. Trending fingers crossed. I don't really mind 'cause it ain't my loss. I'm living like a villain and I'm killing like a boss. Game time, tago-tagoan ng feelings in my whole side. Emoji, what's a minute, go read between the lines. Don't wanna be a vulnerable. See now I built this wonderwall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful. Oh my god! Yeah, he is freaking beautiful. He is stunning. If somebody's gonna say to my face that I am beautiful, Justin has all the right in the world to say that to my face. I mean, he can spit to my face, man. for that matter. Holy shit! He looks, oh my god. Etong ano to, hindi lang to beautiful, masarap yung tamang term sa ganitong, ito. Yung shit, ay, god damn. Okay.
You want a minute, go read between the lines. Don't wanna be a vulnerable. See now I built this wonderwall. Don't really.
Oh my god. Ang angas, man. What the heck, man? With the chrome hearts, I don't know if it's chrome hearts, but ang angas ng forma nila, man. This is, oh my god. Let's go, Ja. Ang angas ng, ano yung pag-transition kay Ja, man. Ang angas ng dating niya. Let's go.
Tago-tagoan ng feelings in mahusay. Emoji, what's a minute, go read between the lines. Don't wanna be a vulnerable. See now I built this wonderwall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful. Don't wanna be a vulnerable. See now I built this wonderwall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful. Mask on, no mask off, no telling what's true. True?
Ooh, bruh, bars. Mask on or mask off. No telling what's true. So meaning you're so unpredictable, bipolar that you know, nakamask ka man o hindi, di naman maintindihan kung ano yung kung sino ka, kung ano ka. Tingnan mo yung mukha ni Pablo. It's creepy as hell, man. Kasing creepy nito yung ano, yung nagmanananggal siya. Damn! Ang pogi. Ang pogi.
And what's true? True? Ain't that what we all do? But hey, I'm talking to you. I kinda like the feel, distorting things I feel. Emoji knows the drill. I fake it 'cause it's real. That everybody's ill. Emoji knows the drill. To me, what you try to get to me, what? To me, what you try to get to me, what? To me, what you try to get to me, what?
Damn, man. The music video is very futuristic, right? Yung parang mga semi-cyborg yung mga dancers nila, tapos sila yung mga, you know, we own this shit, we own this place. Tapos very futuristic yung dating ng background. Damn, tapos yung mga synchronization ng ulo.
To me, what you try to get to me, what? To me, what you try to get to me, what? To me, what you try to get to me, what? To me, what you try to get to me, what? To me, what you
Now we got Jolene.
To me, what you try to get to me, what?
God damn, man. I don't wanna say her age, because that is what do you call this? Shit, I forgot the term. Wala namang age doesn't matter, man. 'Di ba? It's irrelevant. Yun pala yun. Age is irrelevant, but she is 45 freaking years old. God damn, I know in this time of age that is a small number, but it's still 45, man, and she looks freaking beautiful for a 45-year-old woman, man. She looks, god damn. Yeah, holy shit, ang sexy hayop.
Zooming close to me, what you see? Subtext loaded, guess who it could be? Tack yourself, unzip the T. Set the face, yeah, play the role. Digital,
Ooh.
get it on top.
God damn, she's hot. Oh my god, I've never been, bruh, 45 years old. Damn. Okay. Swipe right. G! Let's go. Damn, she's pretty. What the heck? I was expecting for a 45-year-old. I mean, when I searched her, I didn't expect any of this. Ala ko, okay, 45 years old, maybe she's a suspected, you know, artist, actress. Siguro may edad na siya, okay? And I see this shit. What a fine woman right here. God damn.
Zooming close to me, what you see? Subtext loaded, guess who it could be? Tack yourself, unzip the T. Set the face, yeah, play the role. Digital, get it on top. The gold, tap, tap, refresh, I'm the reason you scroll. Stay with your chest, don't type LL. If you want the real thing, you gotta be bold. If you read my emojis, read the whole. I'm a filter queen with a private soul. Yeah, I'm a filter queen with.
Holy shit. They did collaborate, man. I mean, nag-collaborate sila. Pwede naman kasi i-shoot yung music video. Kasi syempre, you know, you have to shoot it differently sa kabilang mundo. Okay, dito sa kabila. Nag-meet nga talaga siya. Oh man, she's pretty. What the heck? I'm distracted by her beauty, man. And we got Ken here. Damn, oh! Man, P-pop domination. Let's go. Huh? P-pop on the world stage is here. Ito pa lang yun eh. Ito pa lang yun. We're just establishing it, man. Let's go. Ito na, man. The trailblazers of P-pop, the P-pop kings, ang naglagay ng P-pop sa mapa. This is the time. We are it.
The private soul.
You wanna be on the ball. See, now I built this wonder wall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful. Don't wanna be on the ball. See, now I built this wonder wall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful.
Ja really, really knows acting. He's a bad boy here, that's the character. And the way he looks at her, he scans her body. That is just acting at a top tier level. Look at Justin. Tingnan mo si Ja.
See, now I built this wonder wall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful.
Patawan mo, goods yan.
I'm beautiful.
Mask on, no mask off, no telling what's true. Ain't that what we all do? But
Hey, I'm talking to you. I kinda like the thrill, distorting things I felt. Emotion knows the drill. Get that? What's up, what's up, what's up?
This collaboration is so smooth. It has a, oh my god, god damn, that's a sexy motherfucker if I see one. God damn, girl! Get it, man! What the fuck? She's fine as hell. God damn. Oh my god, I'm sorry, man. I'm just stunned by this beautiful lady. The chemistry is so real. This is what a collaboration should look like. Para siyang, para silang puzzle eh. Very perfect yung collaboration na to. Very nice, man. The kings of P-pop and the queen of C-pop. Tapos maingay yung buisit ni Aeroplano. Subscribe. Maingay siya eh. Subscribe, guys. G, man.
Emotion knows the drill. Get that? What's up, what's up, what's up? I fake it 'cause it's real. That everybody's ill. Emotion knows the drill. Dead ass. What's up, what's up, what's up?
Oh my god, Stel. Oh my god, and the music video is so awesome, man. It looks that it has so much budget. It looks fine, it looks fire, it looks clean. It's amazing. Alright, so yung connect niya is people tend to, emoji, different faces, happy, sad, stupid. Hindi, iba pala yun, yung mga hangal pala yun sa lipunan. Diba, different kind of emojis, different kind of emotions, but you will not know who I am today. I am one person, but I have different, faces of masks that has different feelings, different thoughts. And people tend to have, other people are two-faced. Diba? Di mo alam kung tropa mo siya. So, ganun yung connection niya, emoji, sa paiba-iba ng itsura at pakiramdam sa face, kasi masaya, malungkot, galit, may sungay paminsan yung emoji, right? So, yun yung connect niya na yung tao, man, mahirap siyang arukin, mahirap siyang intindihin. Di mo alam kung kanino ka magtitiwala. Yun yung connect niya. Importante, meron tayong thought process kung paano rin intindihin yung music video, and that's what I get about this shit. We need to learn something here. We need to actually ambag. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-react lang na gano'n tayo. Hindi natin gets. So for me, that's it. Oh, let's go. Hindi pwedeng mawala yung dance break, man. Hindi pwedeng mawala yung dance break. That's the best part of the video, the performance. That's where you show that you got it. Let's go. fuck, man? And she actually has the, the abilities of a pop dancer and singer, a pop performer. Kasi ganun dapat yung pop yung P-pop, C-pop, pag K-pop, mga ganun, you have to sing and dance, and she really is the queen of C-pop, man. She moves amazing, man. Sabi nila siya daw yung parang Sarah G nila doon, and that shows here. God damn. And it's catchy. It's catchy. Bruh. Damn, what a good music video, man. Damn, man, I'm not gonna lie, that's a fire collaboration, man. This is the first time that SB9 collaborated yung collaboration talaga in a music video na meron talagang dance and all performance. I think this is the first time, and it's a fire first time. It's awesome. God damn, this is so good. What a fire collaboration. I'm looking at it as as a badge, yung parang meron kang inaanong mga levels sa games, ito naabot mo siya, na-penetrate mo siya, tapos meron ka ng badge, first collaboration, man, what a fire collaboration. Doon ko siya tinitignan aside from having a wonderful music and all. Fire, man. I love na yung collaboration ng SB19 hindi siya random na parang, okay, eto sikat na artista sa G, sikat na singer to sa anong bansa na to, G, hindi. She has to be at least pop, right? At hindi lang yun. She has to perform amazingly. 'Di ba? So meaning para pumasok siya doon sa missing piece ng puzzle. And this is such an amazing collaboration. Queen of Chinese pop, very beautiful. SB19 looks fire, looks perfectly handsome and maangas. Ano ba ang English na maangas? Ha? Kayo na mag-Google, kaya nga may Google Man, amazing, very nice, very good, very yeah, let's go. That's it. Win, man. I'm so proud of The Voice. Let's go. Let's stream this shit. Don't stop streaming it para maabot siya ng ibang mga bansa and all. Support natin yung P-pop, support natin ng SB19. This is the kings of P-pop, man. If you like SB19 contents, subscribe to the channel, share it to a friend. Thank you so much. This has been Curbs PH and you master. You are amazing. Yeah.